let's start with the first feature of this car. All the power windows come down and you keep the unlock button pressed for a couple of seconds. Let me show you how. Same goes for closing the windows. You have to keep the lock button pressed for a couple of seconds. In every Vento and Polo, you will notice one thing, that the paint near this area, near the wiper on the bonnet, you will find the paint damaged in this area. The reason, it's not a manufacturing defect. The reason is the negligence on the part of the guy who washes your car. He lifts up the wiper in such a way that it damages the paint near this area. There's a method in which it should be done, and I'll show you how. In order to bring the wipers in service position, this is the process. You put the key in the ignition, switch it on once, switch it off, and pull down the wiper lever once. Now if you lift the wipers to clean the car, this won't damage anywhere near the bonnet. It won't damage the paint. Now when the wipers are in this position, wipers can be raised safely without damaging anywhere.
Central locking system of this car is such that if I'm sitting inside and I lock the car, it's so obvious that outside people cannot open this door. From inside, all the doors are always open. The fundamental behind this feature could be, in case of an emergency, one need not press the unlock button but can easily make a quick exit. Fuel lid can only be opened if the central locking system is unlocked. If it is locked, the fuel lid cannot be opened. The fuel lid doesn't have a separate switch. All you just have to do is just press the fuel lid and it gets opened, and just to lock it once, you have to press it.
Now in this segment, let's look at the security features that the Vento has to offer. Now suppose for example, your remote battery, the car remote battery is knocked off and you want to use the manual key. So I'll show you what the features Vento will offer to you in that case. Now I'm locking the door with the manual key. So as you can see, including the driver's door, all other doors will get locked. Now when I try to unlock it using the manual key, only the driver's door gets unlocked and all the other doors still remain locked. Now the third very important feature is that when you unlock the car with the manual key, your driver's door will get open. But say for example, if you have some work and you shut the door off and you do not really put the key in the ignition within 15 seconds of opening the door, the car does not detect the key. It starts
Let me ask you one question. How do you come to know that your car has to be serviced? In this case, my car reminds me. Pressing the left button for 3 times would show you how many days and how many kilometers are left before the car has to be serviced. Pressing the left button for 3 times would show you how many days and how many kilometers are left before the car has to be serviced.
Suppose you forget to release the handbrake and you start driving, then in this case, the car reminds the driver by giving a beep sound as soon as it crosses a certain minimum speed limit.
Once you start driving without releasing the handbrake, the beep sound comes.
Now let's look at the next security feature of the Vento. Now I've locked my car, and as you can see, my friend is sitting inside. Now when he tries to get out of the car by opening his door, the alarm starts buzzing. Now when you want somebody to be seated inside the car while you are away, make sure that you turn off the anti-theft alarm, which is located near the B pillar at the driver's seat. Now that's the anti-theft alarm. When it turns orange, the anti-theft alarm is off. Now that's the anti-theft alarm. When it turns orange, the anti-theft alarm is off.
All the doors have 3-stage movement, which means it does not open wide at the first go and it stops at 3 intervals so that it does not accidentally damage neighboring car, neither our car. Now let me show you.
Another unique feature of this power window is, while it's going up, if it faces an obstruction in its path, it will retract down. Let me swing.
So that's it for today, guys. Next time we'll come up with a new car. Please like, share and subscribe.